I'm sorry. Can I have 2 Cajun two Cajun chicken biscuits? And an order of fries. 2 Cajun and an order of the
You want the combo?
Yeah. Do you want? Oh, do you want a drink with that? God. You want a drink with it? No drink. Sorry.
So no combo?
No combo. Yeah, just the two chicken biscuits, and fries, but no drink. Sorry. Yeah.
You want 2? All right.
2 Cajun chicken biscuits and an order of the picnic fries. but no drink.
15 for a drink.
Thank you. Oh God! I can't feed a man. Oh God! I can't feed him. I can't feed him. God. Oh God! No. Oh, wait there. Oh, there's that poor man. Oh God. Oh God. Hold on. Oh God. That man must think I'm having a fit or something. Hey, sorry. I was having allergies. Oh, God. Hey, how you doing? Sorry. Thank you. Okay, let's check that. Make sure everything's right.
What do we check? 2 Cajun filet and a fry. Yep.
All right, 2 biscuits.
Yeah, 2 biscuits and a fry. Yep.
Okay.
All right, we're all set.
Is that it? We good?
Yeah, we're good. Yep.
Okay, thank you. We're good? Okay. We good? Oh, I need my change, though. Thank you. Have a good night. Thanks. Appreciate it. God, he wasn't very friendly at all. I almost drove out with no change. Oh, Lord. Where's my pennies? Oh, it's my nickel. Order. Oh, sweet Jesus. I think we're done. What is that? That was a post. I think I need a drink. That man was very upset with me. I think he thought I was having a fit or something. That's what I think that's enough.